This is how, by taking FlySky i6 remote control and the Thrustmaster PC joystick, merging them together to come up with a more pilot-friendly remote control for my next project. I started by designing the centerpiece where all the electronics will fit, leaving room for future upgrades as the need requires, for example space for a signal amplifier to increase the range and so on. And finally designing the support for the 2-voltage step-down, the buttons and the legs to screw on the PCBs. Fired up my Ender 3 printer, and so the waiting game begins until it finishes doing its thing. Now that I have it fully assembled, let's have a look inside. The remote is powered with 12 volts either from wall socket or in the field from the car socket, getting rid of the batteries. Here we have the on-off switch, cooling fan, 2-voltage step down, and the PCB from the FlySky remote control.